Hi guys, welcome back to AKitchenAdvisor channel. As always, we keep sharing with you the best recipes for busy families. Today we are making golden, lacy and yummy crepes. This is the first recipe in which we will show you how you can use the whey. Instead of just pouring it down the drain, you can use it to make a lot of baking recipes and more. Stay tuned. If you are curious about how to make whey, find the link below this video. Crack the eggs into a mixer. Add salt and beat them on low speed. Continue beating the eggs, add whey, and oil. Sieve flour into the mixer and keep mixing until all ingredients combine together well. Heat the crepe pan. Grease the pan with the vegetable oil. Pour about quarter cup butter into the crepe pan or enough to coat the bottom of the pan. As you are pouring the butter into the pan, swirl the batters to evenly coat the bottom. Fill any gaps with a little more batter. Fry it for a few seconds on medium heat until the edges are golden. Flip the crepe using a thin-edged spatula to easily get under the crepe. Keep frying until the second side turns golden, then turn the crepe out into the plate. Repeat with the remaining butter, adding butter as needed. To make your crepes beautiful and lacy, use a special crepe pan and thin-edged spatula. You can find the links to what we used in this recipe below this video. The crepes are done. They are perfect, golden, lacy and yummy. Crepes are pretty much like pizza. You can make them with any ingredient you want or have as a leftover. We will show you our favorite filling and stuffing in the next videos. Don't forget to press the like button, and I would like to say big thank you to all our subscribers. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing so you won't miss any of our easy and yummy recipes for busy families. Also, check our website for more delicious and healthy recipes.